Tanya.
Who are you?
Tanya.
Zia Tanya. Why are you Zia Tanya for?
I want to.
You want to? And why? How are you pretending to be Zia Tanya? What are you doing?
I want my Pepe.
You're marrying Zia Pepe, are you? Well, where's your wedding dress?
Oh, I just fell down.
You fell down. Oh no.
I lose it river.
You lost it in the river. Your wedding dress. Oh dear.
This is that river. Floating by every Saturday.
Is that your wedding dress? Did you get it out of the river? Oh, that's good. How do you put it on? How do you put it on for your wedding?
Like this.
Oh wow, that's a lovely dress. Green, it's very nice. Do you think that's how Zia Tanya got married? Was she lying down?
Bed.
You're in bed, are you?
My bed.
Oh,
My bed.
okay. You're married bed. So who do I have to call you now?
See Eddie now. Tanya. Tanya.
Zia Tanya. Okay, Zia Tanya. Have a good sleep now. I'll stop taping you. Stop videoing you. Say bye.